How to add custom notification sounds on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, what you need to do is, in order to add custom notification sounds on Android, you have to select the app that you want to add the custom sounds for. So for example, if I'm going to select Instagram, I'm going to make a long press on it and then tap on App Info. As I tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the options of notifications at the bottom. So select on notifications. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of other. So select on other and here you can tap on the sound option. As I tap on sound, start to choose the ringtone or the sound for this notifications from Instagram. So you can just select from any local ringtone or pre-installed ringtones as well. And you can just select on music over here and then select a song over here. So let's select and then tap on OK. Tap on apply. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.